everybody, and welcome back to Rollin with the Fishers. And we are going up north to Visalia, California.
Road trip.
It's our first time going there, so we thought we'd bring you guys along.
Now it's just me and Kyle in the back there. Like I said, we've never been there, but you know, that's what we want to do on this channel, is just kind of take you on our little adventures, just to look back for us, for our friends and family. And now our extended YouTube family, that's what you all subscribe for.
Speaking of subscribers.
Speaking of subscribers, we hit 100.
100 subscribers!
Whoa, let's go.
Woo!
And counting, so I want to say thanks for that.
Thank you, everybody, for your support
everyone,
so far.
checking us out, coming along with us. Okay, Kai, what do you got to say?
Make sure to like and subscribe and to hit that bell.
Hotel, motel,
Holiday Inn.
let's go.
Express.
Look at that view. Yeah.
See anything?
What does it look like? The sun?
It hurts my eyes.
And checking out the golden hour down there. There you go. Look at that.
Golden hour.
All right. Let's go check out our
look at it
room.
in real time.
We are on the 4th floor.
Let's go.
Here we go. Oh, hey, Kai, do the honors. The penthouse. Top floor is where royalty lives. Let's go.
Let's go. We got royalty.
We are crashing this weekend.
Okay. Not bad. It smells really clean. Super clean.
Ooh. Okay. It's pretty nice.
Nice for a hotel.
Nice desk. Look at this fancy light. AC. This is where you, if you get busted, you get to put in timeout in this corner. Nice queen beds.
For me.
Pretty good. Little bench.
This is an eco-friendly room. That's what he told me. And it's one of those where you gotta put the card in the slot for power in the room.
Okay, we got a full mirror, microwave, we got a fridge, coffee maker. Okay, we got a nice little closet here. Okay. Here's the test. Let's check out this bathroom.
No.
Oh, it's a big bathroom. Look at that.
What are your shoes?
You go, and this is where you do the, hey, what's up? Toilet, bathtub over here. Okay. So this is where we're gonna be hanging out, sleeping.
Smells
This is the light.
Ooh, behind the headboard.
It's very bright.
So you can see things.
We got one USB port, an outlet.
Oh, got some charging stations here.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Let's see what we're looking at.
Let's check out this view. Dirt. But we got a nice sunset. Look at that, Kai. We decided to leave the room. Actually got up and get some dinner. Checking out Ono Hawaiian barbecue. Right, Kyle?
Yep.
So we got, for me, I like their little containers. They're actually marked, they say Ono Hawaiian barbecue on them, tested in 2002. Let's see, I got the Kalua pork. Got 2 scoops of rice and a side of mac. Got some fried crispy shrimp here. Some spam masubs.
4 and counting.
4 and counting.
And a salad.
And a salad. So let's go ahead and dig in, guys. Ooh, let's see. How's this spam masubi, Bubba? Good stuff? All right. I always laugh when people do this on vlogs. All right, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and try this Kalua pork. Very good. That's good. I mean, is that what you say? What do you think, babe? How's your
What's pamasubi?
yeah.
Mine tastes better. No, but it's good. It's good.
Oh yeah. If y'all don't know, those of you that do know, the wifey makes some bomb smash musubis. But these are pretty good for just being on the road. All right, we gotta eat.
Many hours later.
Chilling here in the room, getting ready to check out. Gonna head out and do some exploring in Visalia for a little bit while the wifey is at her appointment. I know there's a lot of trees out here, a lot of hiking, a lot of trails to see like the redwoods and all that, but we really didn't plan on hiking. Plus this guy over here, hiking's not his favorite thing. You could ask him about Diamond Head in Hawaii. No? Beds were pretty good here, right, Kai?
Yeah.
Slept okay?
It took me a while to get to sleep because you were snoring.
Yeah, we're gonna edit that part out. Anyway, breakfast wasn't bad, you know, it was free downstairs. I really didn't video it. It's nothing too special, just your typical biscuits and sausage and eggs and all that, fruit and yogurt. But it's complimentary included in the price here, so definitely a decent stay. If you're probably gonna just like head into the national forest the next day, they have some shuttles that take you out to the trees and all that, but we actually don't have time to do that. So maybe next time we'll check out some of the trees. Got like the maps of everything here, what to do. So maybe next time we'll check it out. At least we have an idea now. A lot of trees, I guess. So that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Sequoia visitor. That's what we find out to do around here. All right.
We just checked out of the Holiday Inn Express here in Visalia. Really good experience. I checked in online before we came up. Was able to check out by email, so I didn't have to talk to anybody to leave.
And she's working on talking to people.
If you're an introvert like me, this was a really good experience. I just had to walk up to the front desk when we got here to get the keys. Nice hotel, smelled really new, so definitely recommend. I see that a lot of people put down reviews that they stay there when they're going to the Sequoia National Park. So if you're going to the Sequoia National Park, that's a nice place to stay. Going to my appointment now, and Mike and Mikhail are going to drop me off at my appointment.
And then we're going to go explore.
And then they're going to go explore Visalia. All right.
Okay, so while Mom's at her appointment, the boy squad's going to come here to where, Kaya? Where are we?
The Imagine Children Museum.
Imagine You. Looks cool, huh? Yeah?
Yeah. How much is this?
So these are the prices here for kids. It's 15, for adults it's 10. 25 bucks. You got 25 bucks, bud? Nah, that's all right. Okay, let's check it out. So go ahead and get in line, dude. Push it. Cool. So they got a bunch of different areas.
So we have to try and guard the ball to the...
Oh, that's tough. Try and get it over here, huh? Almost. Let me see. Like this, Kai.
Wait, isn't there something else?
I don't know. What is that?
That's a judge.
It's a judge.
Nice.
Well, let me see what the police officer hat on. What you doing, bro?
Building.
Stacking it?
Yep.
Oh. I've been known to have some natural gas. Just kidding. Is there buttons to press in there?
Only the green one works.
Oh, well, what's your favorite color?
Green.
So there's a bunch of little lessons and stuff on the walls here. But this dude's driving the John Deere. Does it have a horn or anything?
It did.
Oh, cool. The John Deere tractor? Oh my God, let's talk about natural gas. Makayo knows about natural gas. Wait. Let me see what it says. Make me fart. Did you know SoCal gas farmers collect animal poop to make gas? Does it work? Oh, again. Oh my God. For whatever reason, I think this is your favorite part so far, the fart machines, huh? Put it up here, bud.
You're looking at different things.
Yeah.
And what's this for?
You just look at it.
Oh,
There are different bugs you can look at. Look at that.
why is this here?
Well, look at that. How about butterflies? Shout out to the people that colored this. I think they were 80s, 90s kids and played Super Mario Brother because I think that is Princess Peach. If you know, you know. Ah, let's go.
Okay.
Say it. Parkour. Put it in there. There it goes. Look. Up here, dude. Oh. Oh, how'd you make that one? Let's brand some cows here. Let's mark our meat, son. Let's mark our meat. Let's see,
Is this
bro.
the right way?
Look, you're with the cowboys behind you.
Is this the right
Look at the
way?
cowboys behind you.
Is this the right way?
Sure. Let's go get those cattles and get some ribeye steaks, son. How about that? All right, Carson. Walk away, son. Walk away.
Makeshift.
Yeah.
What's this?
Pump it. Maybe water will come out of the top. All right, dude, show me.
What the?
Do it. Don't squirt me, dude. I don't want milk.
What the?
Squeeze it. Show me.
This is for kids?
No. Well, yeah. You gotta teach kids where milk comes from for them cereal.
Oh God. This feels so.
And you just milked a cow, bro.
I'm traumatized.
You're traumatized. Yo, drop me a beat. Drop. Yeah.
Operation Life Ender.
Yeah, you don't want to run people over on the tracks. That's what they're trying to say. So before you tell them, get off the track, bro. So since you're working on this car, you think you can work on my Chevelle? On Daddy's race car?
I'm not sure.
What does it say?
Replace?
Replace? You gotta replace the water pump, huh?
Weird. Yeah, apparently that's the
The water pump is bad. You could charge so much for that. How much are you gonna charge to replace the water pump?
$500.
$500? I'm not coming to your shop, bro.
150.
Okay, 150, that's more like it. It's actually pretty cheap. What is that, the air filter? Man, you gotta replace everything. This car's a piece of crap. I don't want this car.
Ah, the air filter's dusty.
Oh, that's nasty. Line up there you go. Line up the Velcro.
Where does it?
There you go. Let's put some new exhaust on there. Got it?
Yes.
Is that the air filter?
Yeah, so you can go under the hood and open the air filter part.
Do you know where the air filter thing is? There you go. So put in a new air filter. I actually just did this to your mom's car. There you go.
Hey, that's good. That's good.
Work here done in the garage?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's Pizza time?
Pizza time.
It's quitting time? All right, let's shut down the garage. Shut down the garage, turn off the lights, bud. Let's go to work. Shut down the garage, we're gonna go eat. All right, everybody, so we just finished up at the Imagine You Museum here in Visalia. We decided to come check out some hands-on exhibits here. What do you think, Kai?
I think it was pretty cool. My favorite place was the garage where you get to tune up a car.
Yeah, we got some, you guys probably saw that video. This dude charges $150 to change an air filter. He seems about right to work at one of those dealers that charge you way too much. Probably one of the funniest things was when he had to milk the cow and actual fluid came out of the udders.
Yeah, don't worry, it wasn't actual milk, it's just water.
Yeah, but out here up north in Tulare County, they're known for, you know, their cows and stuff. So we're done exploring here at the museum.
We're on our lunch break.
We're on our lunch break.
From the garage, and we're gonna
So we're gonna go probably check out this pizzeria spot that I found.
It's called the Mill Pizzeria.
Peace, love, and pizza. So we're here at the what, Kai?
The Mill Pizzeria and Tap Room.
The Mill Pizzeria and Tap Room. So we're gonna try their regular personal pizza, and then we're gonna try a Detroit style pizza. But it's here in Visalia. It's a brewery too, but I'm being a responsible adult and not drinking while I'm with my kid and I don't have a designated driver, but they have a pretty good list of alcohol.
Visalia.
That works.
Visalia.
Sure. Off with the garlic parmesan chicken wings. God, look at it, it smells so good. So these are the garlic parmesan, parm chicken wings. Ooh, they're bomb. Perfect balance of garlic and parmesan, and the wings are cooked really good. Good stuff. Kyle's pizza came in. It was just a 10-inch personal pan cheese pizza. What do you think? Did it smell good?
It smells good. Hopefully it tastes good.
Yeah, it will. It looks good. Go for it. Oh, look at that cheese pool. Good?
Yeah. It's pretty good.
Yeah. Detroit style deep dish pizza, I think. Oh. Let's give it a shot here. No, I'm usually not a fan of thick pizza, but this is legit. It's not too overly breading, but man, it's delicious. Let's go. Visalia. This dude's trying to put down a personal cheese pizza. Can you do it or not? Probably not.
Finish the crust.
If you're ever here in Visalia, come check out the Mill Pizzeria and Tap Room. If you want to get some good pizza, some good beer, it's a good spot. What's up, everyone? Just realized we didn't shoot an outro for our little road trip to Visalia, but we made it back here, back home safe. Hope you enjoyed our little escapades. What was that place called? The Imagine You
Child Museum.
Child Museum, and our little snack of that bomb pizza.
The Mill Pizzeria and Tap Room.
The Mill Pizzeria and Tap Room. If you enjoyed the video and you want to come along and see some more of our adventures,
make sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell so you can list for when we upload content.
All right, let's go. All right, thanks for rolling with the Fishers. We'll see you next time.
Peace.
Peace.